Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's episode. Today is Wednesday and marks another trading day of the week. So, before we go to the charts, let's check fundamentals. And looking at today, 2 p.m., we have existing home sales, and we are expecting positive news. And also, 6 o'clock, we have FOMC meeting minutes. FOMIC at 6 p.m. Ghana time. So that's the news we have ahead of us today. All right. So let's go back to the charts and look at what is happening to gold. Whoa. So if you look at gold yesterday, it respected our zone nicely, the second zone, and pushed all the way up. But it still failed to close to break the 2430 zone. Okay. As you can see, the zone is still valid. Market got there and got rejected. So that zone is still valid. So until gold breaks that 24, 32, 35 zone, the market can no longer buy. Okay. It will still be back and forth until breakout. So let me clear this chart. Then we go to daily time frame. So what is happening on daily? Wow. So if you look at daily, um, okay. So according to daily, we have daily resistance at 24.26. We have daily support at 24.14. Okay. According to daily, this is the current zones on daily time frame. These are the current resistance and support. Daily open and close. Those are the resistance and support. The rest are the highs and lows. All right. So looking at how daily candle closed yesterday, even though it's bearish, but it still have more buy potential than sell. Why am I saying so? Because you can see that the market came all the way to 2406. 2406 and got rejected massively. Okay, massively. All the way to 2434 and came to close at 2421, which is half of the body of the previous bullish candle, right? So, meaning the buys are still stronger than the sells. So the market has potentials to push up. Okay, so when you go to H4, when you go to H4, when you go to H4, you can see for sure that hmm, this H4 level is still respecting price. Okay, as you can see, and here. So yesterday you can see that we had a nice morning star. Okay, nice morning star right here, of which was a buy confirmation. But what happened? It got rejected. Why? It got rejected because there is also another zone right here at the top, which resisting the market from pushing up, and then it had to drop again. Yeah. So what can actually happen today according to H4 time frame? we may get a trend line. Okay. So when you turn to line charts, you can see that this is a beautiful trend line, right? Yeah. So it's still is valid. Now, you see that yesterday the market tested the trend line and pushed up, and recently it is still coming back to the trend line. So for me, the market may still test the trend line and on the zone at 24.15 level. If that happens, I will still look for gold buy. All right, I will still look for gold buy because you can see that H4 is creating highs and lows. After the triple low here, started pushing highs and lows, highs and lows. All right, yeah, so this is a high, here is a low. So expectation that another high is possible. Okay, yeah. And if you use Fibonacci, right here all the way here, can see that the market is right recently sitting on the 50% fib level, which means the market has potentials to push up from here. Okay, so any opportunity you get for a buy, just buy and then hold. Okay, just buy and hold, buy and hold. So like I was saying, when the market comes back to 24.15, 24.16, 17, we can still look for a buy. All right. So H1, what is happening? Okay. So if you look at H1, and we adjust the trend line in H1, of course. Yeah, so according to H1, this is where the trend line is supposed to be. Good. Yeah. So you can see that after the push to the upside, the market has been consolidating for hours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. For 10 solid hours, the market has been consolidating, not going anywhere. So I'm still expecting a push to this level, 24.15. Then we can look for a push to the upside. Okay. Yeah. So this is my zone. And when the market comes there, I'm anticipating a push to the upside. And this time around, I'll be expecting 24.60. Okay. I'll be expecting 24.60 for the market to reach. So recently, there was a trend line here which got broken, and you can see that the market has to test. Even though it failed to test this trend line, it only tested the zone. So I'm still expecting a drop. Okay, I'm still expecting a drop to this trend line over here. Then we can take gold to the upside. All right, that's what I see. So 30 minutes, what is happening in 30 minutes? Can we adjust this trend line a little? Let's try and see. Okay. So if we are to adjust this trend line, this is what we are going to have. So recently, the market is still touching the trend line and possibly a drop may happen. So I'm expecting the market here. So today, here is the zone for my buy. I'll buy from here. Also, if gold breaks this level, breaks the trend line and retest, I may consider buying like this. Okay. So either this or that. But I prefer the second zone to the first zone. Okay. So guys, just sit back and wait. I watch the markets and see how it's going to play out before you go into it and pick some trades. If you like the video, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. Make sure you comment the video, like, and share. And if you haven't joined the Telegram community, the link is in the bio and also in the description. All right. So this is Pip Hunter here, and the Pip must pay. Make sure to manage your risk very well because you have no idea of which trade hitting your TP and which trade hitting your stop loss. It's only risk management that can keep you active in the game for the long run. So until then, I will see you in another video and have a nice day.